Fortizo Academy students. This is Tutor Miracle on your screen. Alright, so we'll be doing some series of classes on Chem 102 and Maths 102, but basically on Chem 102. This is just to supplement the ongoing physical classes that is happening on campus. Alright, so for today, I want to teach a very sensitive topic titled CYCLOALKANE and CYCLOALKANE. CYCLOALKANE and CYCLOALKANE. Alright, the first thing you need to know about the CYCLOALKANE and the CYCLOALKANE is that the CYCLOALKANE and the CYCLOALKANE, they are ring structure, they are ring-like structure of the alkene group and the alkane group. They are ring-like structure. I know the only ring-like structure in organic compound that you know is the benzene. That's 6,6H6 with their various double bond. Now, here the alkane group and the alkane group can also exist in a ring-like structure. And the ring-like structure of the alkane group and the alkane group, they are called the CYCLOALKANE and the CYCLOALKANE. Now, so the general formula for this CYCLOALKANE and the CYCLOALKANE group is CnH2n. Now, the maximum number of carbon atom, the maximum number of carbon atom, I mean the range of the carbon atom from this. For example, now we know that in alkane it starts with methane, ethane, and so on. In alkene it starts with ethene, there is no methane, right? So but now in the CYCLOALKANE it begins from the third carbon, which is propane. Now these are the various ring-like structure. We have this. We have this. We have this. We can also have this, something like benzene. Let's draw it here. Now, watch this various structure. So these are ring-like structure. You get? So any ring-like structure of the alkane and the alkene group, they are called the CYCLOALKANE and the CYCLOALKANE. Now watch this. We say that their carbon begins from 3. Now if you watch this triangle shape, we say that this dot, the edges is a symbol of carbon. It's a symbol of carbon. The edges is a symbol of carbon. For example, here we have carbon, 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 carbon. So here you have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is how the CYCLOALKANE looks like. Now, if you want to name them based on their naming, we add a prefix of cyclo before every of their name. Like now, how many carbon can we find here? 3. So it is propane. So if you want to name this carbon, this ring-like structure, we have what? We have cyclopropane. Same here. Here we have what? Cyclobutane. Here we have what? Cyclopentane. Here we have what? Cyclohexane. Now take note of this structure. So this is basically CYCLOALKANE. We know what the alkene is. When any of these begin to exist, begin to have double bond, then they are called cycloalkene.